Part 3 on trust. Bam. Okay. So, aspects of trust. I suppose I can go into that. Trust with source. The source eminence of all being has your back. Fractaling up and down, infinitely wanting to expand its expression of consciousness to the best possible existence for all of its fractals. Different branches of source want different things, and they don't always agree with each other, but the eminent source of all sources, fractaling up and down, it usually will like the whole and be good with unity and wanting the best for all its selves and children concept of creation. Trust in yourself. Figure out why you don't trust yourself. What were the wounds that happened in your timeline of childhood, and which we thought something, or believed something, or guessed something that we hoped to be true, and it wasn't true, and we have doubt that creeps in as a literal blockage that actually represents a blockage, and you can use that to find the blockages and release them. What isn't you and is holding back. Some doubt is good because it teaches us not to just trust everything, and it has a purpose. But when we find past the purpose and the lesson and understand, moving forward, we can keep the wisdom, move into trust. It's healthy. It's healthy to do so. Trust in ourselves that we will get better, we will grow, we will get more correct. It's okay to be wrong. Be okay with being wrong. The ego, the parasympathetic nervous system doesn't like being wrong. That's okay. Who doesn't want to be wrong? I mean, who doesn't want to be right? Who wants to be wrong? But it's good. It's good to be wrong. I'm glad I've been wrong. I've been wrong hundreds and thousands, and probably millions and unseen amount of times. And I am glad I've been wrong. Because if I was never wrong, I would never know if I was wrong. I've never switched my perspective, change, respect myself, respect myself, to see what could be better, what could be improved, what's holding me back, what are the dogmas. It's not easy to tune into what dogmas we hold, but to seek what is true above anything else held in previous belief systems, so that we move forward no matter what towards truth, ultimate goal, ultimate greater evening of light in our being, of brightness, of luminosity. And I respect all of you that move closer to truth and are okay with being wrong. Get your wrongs out of the way. Try to find out if you're wrong. Don't be afraid. Have things test your beliefs. If the ladder that we use as a belief system to climb our way up suddenly crumbles because of a new awareness that comes in our mind that exposes falseness, good. You can always rebuild it, and it will always be stronger. We will have more perspective and knowingness of all the different types we can have and experience here as source eminence. So more into amplifying trust in itself to grain our horizon. Sense, feel into systems of support, ready to come online when allowed. Believe and knowing, feeling that this is true, that there is a blanket of comfort, support there from many different layers of consciousness. Don't just do it for, If it's actually something that works well, then you can have trust in that and trust your higher self to know the difference. Trust your body to filter it out and make a filter just so you just get rid of that doubt and you're like, oh, okay, initiate that command. Things to trust, I guess I would suppose, would be into your source, yourself, your higher self, your pure essence of being in the core of your heart, your all versions of yourself and higher selves that are non-competition and positive filter, the universe, earth, higher self version of you in the sun, center of the galaxy, center of the universe version of yourself, fractaling up and down, multiversal, extra multiversal, and beyond. Your spiritual entourage that you know is, well, your friends. Energy and consciousness itself flowing. Have trust in that, and it will be there, waiting as you allow it more. Thank you again! Hope you have a good night. Like, share this content. Subscribe if you want more. Yeah. Power to the people. Love you all.